guys see the hat? It says Oregon boy. Spent most of my life here. I forgot how beautiful it is. That's why I love coming back and seeing the family and just losing myself in these amazing, amazing atmospheres. Been all over the world, Tokyo, Dubai, Amsterdam. We've been to Vegas, we've been to Tulum, Los Angeles. Now the Oregon boys in the Northwest, my favorite part of the world. I'm gonna take you along with me, let's go.
One beat maker, the hit maker, the hit maker, the hit maker, the hit maker.
Tesla has it figured out. Excited.
If Peter Voogd's excitement level is normally like a 10, where are you at right now?
17. My one-page goal sheet from 2015 said black Tesla. And obviously, like I said in one of the other videos, it always takes longer. And when I wrote that down, I didn't fully think I was going to get it, but what is it, 3 years later?
Does it smell new? Car needs to calibrate. This is basically the equivalent of a baby. It doesn't know anything. It needs to get a little bit of experience under its belt, get a little driving under its belt, a little mileage before you can use autopilot. Now.
Oh shit, that's a one-way. You gotta be kidding me. In my new Tesla, one-way. All smiles from here. Nothing can get my day down. It's crazy. I wouldn't change growing up in a small town. Kept me humbled, made me who I am, but I also needed outside inspiration to reach the heights that I reached. No matter how much money I make, I still stay conservative. I don't overspend. I don't live above my means. And I don't need the crazy nice things. I don't need the multi-million-dollar house. I like the country life. I like the family life. But one of the reasons I love entrepreneurship and I love creating and controlling my own schedule is I put my family so high priority list wise that if I need to come up, if something happens, I don't want to ask nobody, and I just want to at the drop of a dime come up and see them. Frustrating thing when I was growing up is being placed in a box and feeling like I was judged. They wanted to kind of put a label on me. I'm so intense and I'm so energized. I've always been that way. And I think schools teach you how to fit in and memorize when it should teach you how to be different, stand out, be a leader, solve problems, instead of teaching you how to be a follower. So that just always drove me crazy. I always felt this like nagging pull in school. And you guys know watching, if if you're an entrepreneur and you have that pull to kind of create your own business, live on your terms, you don't like people judging you or people telling you what you're worth, that drives you crazy. My question is, why are you working so hard? I always knew why I was working so hard was because I wanted to be present with my family and be able to, at the drop of a hat, go see my family anytime they needed me. So it's amazing to be out here on the lake I grew up in, having an amazing time, being fully present. It's one thing being with family and being present. It's another thing knowing that you're maximizing your life and business, and knowing that you have good intentions that are pure, and knowing that you want to help out your family when you do grind. I just see a lot of people say their priorities one thing, but their actions express otherwise. Your priorities are always what you actually take action on. So you can say your priorities are your kids, but if you never spend time with your kids, your priorities are what you show, not what you talk about. And that's it.